The outline of an object is known as a stroke, and different strokes can be set to each object. So first of all, go through and create the path or shapes using the pen tools, the line tool, or the brush tool. However, there are some limitations with strokes and using the paintbrush, as I've done on the screen previously. Go through and select the path, and now down in the color picker, we've got the stroke and the fill. So we can go through and change the color by double clicking on that icon and selecting a nice blue. Now what we want to do is probably make that stroke a little bit more visible. So up on the options bar, we can go through and change the stroke point size, or you can click and then scroll wheel to make it a bit more rapid. We also have other options where we can change the style of the line and the brush or texture, and also the opacity. However, sometimes that changes our stroke thickness. Additionally, we can use the stroke options in the palette. So that's going to look like these three little lines. Otherwise, they're going to be under window and then stroke. So expanding that, often it will appear like this. And so I just making it more visible, I'll go through and just show more options and changing our stroke thickness. We can change the end caps. We can round corners. We can change it to a dashed line, and we can also attach arrowheads. And minimizing that again. Lastly, going over the stroke, the presets are going to be generally a previous color. You can apply a gradient and change those options, or have no color at all for the stroke. Thanks.